Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we can learn HTTP methods. In REST architecture, we mainly use 5 common HTTP methods to perform different actions. Those methods are get method, post method, put method, patch method, and delete method. Here, the first one is get method. The HTTP get method is used to fetch or read data from the server. For example, fetch user details from the server. Mainly, get is used to read data. And second one is post method. The HTTP post method is used to create new data. Here we can send the data in the request body. For example, create new user object. But mainly post is used to create new data. And next one is put method. The HTTP put method is used to update or modify an existing resource. For example, update entire user details. It will update entire object. Next one, patch method. The HTTP patch method is used to partially update the resource. For example, we can update only user email ID. By using put method, we can update entire user object. But using patch method, we can update required fields only. The main difference between put and patch is put will update entire object. But coming to patch method, it will update required fields. Next one is delete method. The HTTP delete method is used to delete or remove the resource. For example, delete user details like that. These 5 methods are mainly used in REST API development. Okay, I will see you in the next video.